Instructions for capturing a screenshot. So go ahead and select any area on the Springfield College website. So if you'd like to go to maybe photo of the day archives and have a photo selected, then you can do it two ways. If you click the Windows button at the bottom left corner, which is the Start button, and if you scroll to the end where you'll see Windows Accessories, and then you should scroll down, everything is in alphabetic order, and you'll select Snipping Tool. It's easier if you go in the type here, search, and just type S, and it comes up right away. So that's a lot easier than looking for it. So go ahead and click Snipping Tool, and then wait for it to come up with the menu. Doesn't matter if this was in the way, if it was over here, because once you click New, it goes out of the way. So I'll click New, and then I will hold and drag what I want to capture from this page, and then let go, and there I have it. So you can capture as little or as much as you'd like, just like you would on your phone, and then what you would do is File, save this in your My Documents or desktop, and submit it in Blackboard. So that's a snipping tool to just get a particular image or paragraph or something small and not everything else. Go ahead and save and submit to Brightspace. Thank you.